for returning for another video with me. I do want to say a huge thank you to Lull for sponsoring today's video. They did send over this queen size mattress as well as the mattress foundation. Everything arrived right to my front door. Guys, I was shocked that this entire mattress fit into that box and it was sitting on my front porch. As most of you know, we are still getting settled into our new place and we do have enough space to have a guest bedroom. I want to make it super functional and super cozy and comfortable. I want us to be able to come in here, lounge, take naps, read books. This mattress is so comfortable. Not only that, everything was so easy to put together. I literally did everything by myself. I probably should have waited and got some help with bringing this big old box upstairs, but you know, your girl worked out, so I was able to get it done. We have just been enjoying the space and we've just been in here non-stop. The mattress is so soft and it does have like that cooling effect. It just feels so good. I did want to mention to you guys that Lull does offer free shipping, free returns, and you can try your mattress out in your home for 100 nights. So if you're not happy after 100 nights, then you can still send it back. Girl, that is amazing because purchasing a mattress is a true investment. I'll be sure to have all of the information down in that description box for you guys, as well as a link that will give you $150 off of your purchase. It does take a complete 24 hours for the mattress to fully expand, and I will share that with you guys a little later on in the video. After I set the mattress up, I did get some cleaning done, and I know how much you guys enjoyed that, so I did include a little bit of that in the video. And then I'll share with you guys how the mattress looked after the 24 hours. As always, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if so, do not leave without giving it a big thumbs up. And as always, if this is your first time here, then hello, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Nina, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and my energy just enough to click that subscribe button. If you are a returning squad member, then welcome back, squad. Go ahead and click that notification bell before you leave so that you get alerts each and every time I upload. So let's just dive right into the rest of the video, guys.
Last night, I saw your arms around somebody. I never thought it'd be so hard, yeah. Even though I'm the one that broke us apart, yeah. Now I'm seeing her, watching you. Never felt so lonely, babe. I wanna be there next to you. I keep missing us, missing.
Probably should have waited for my wife. But who's impatient? I'm impatient. Cause I'm impatient. That's why I don't never wait.
Touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Come back to me, come back, baby. Can I what
Like, it's firm, but it's soft. It feels so good, and it feels cool. Like, I don't know. And it's not even all the way expanded yet. It's so soft.
He got these yellow brown eyes and a smile on his face when he tells me he wants me. From the feelings I can hide when I dance and I sway with his arms tight around me. And sure I messed it up a little later on, but just for now I'll keep dancing. He and his yellow brown eyes and the smile at this point got the air feeling vibrant. Yeah, got the air feeling vibrant. Feels like the ceiling is high in this club, 'cause right now every move gets me soaring. And when the music's so loud I can't speak, but I sure like to feel it when he's near me. Now ain't it typical, I'm so predictable, but just for now I'll keep dancing. Here with these yellow brown eyes and the smile at this point really gets me excited. Excited.
How did it feel, Daisy? How did it feel? Do it feel nice? Do it feel nice?